Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Digital Waves. The chilly season is here, and while winter brings cozy sweaters, hot chocolate, and festive cheer, it also comes with some serious health concerns. Did you know that winter is the season when heart attacks are most common? Yes, studies have shown a significant rise in heart attack cases during colder months. In today's video, we'll explore why this happens, the symptoms to look out for, and, most importantly, how to protect yourself and your loved ones from this silent threat. So, grab a warm cup of tea and stay with me till the end. This could save a life. Let's dive straight into it. First, why do heart attacks increase during winter? It all starts with the cold weather. When temperatures drop, your body works harder to maintain its normal temperature. Vasoconstriction, cold weather causes blood vessels to narrow, which increases blood pressure. This puts extra stress on your heart. Blood thickening, low temperatures can cause your blood to thicken, making clots more likely to form, which can block arteries. Increased workload, activities like shoveling snow or walking against a strong winter wind can strain your heart, especially if you're not used to heavy physical activity. Vitamin D deficiency, with shorter daylight hours, many people get less sun exposure, which can reduce vitamin D levels. Important for heart health. And let's not forget, people tend to eat heavier, calorie-dense meals and exercise less during the colder months. All these factors combine to create a perfect storm for heart problems. Now that we know why winter can be risky, let's talk about the warning signs of a heart attack. It's crucial to recognize these symptoms early because time is everything when it comes to saving a life. Here are the key symptoms to watch out for. Chest pain or discomfort. This could feel like pressure, squeezing, or fullness in the chest. It might last more than a few minutes or come and go. Pain in other areas, you might feel discomfort radiating to your arms, neck, jaw, back, or stomach. Shortness of breath, you could feel breathless even when doing something as simple as sitting. Cold sweats, nausea, or dizziness, these are often overlooked but can be crucial warning signs. If you or someone around you experiences these symptoms, don't hesitate, call emergency services immediately. Acting fast can make all the difference. So, how can you protect your heart this winter? The good news is there's plenty you can do. Here are some practical tips to keep your heart healthy and strong. Dress warmly, layer up, especially if you're going outside. Keep your head, hands, and feet warm, as these areas lose heat quickly. Avoid sudden physical exertion. Activities like shoveling snow or running in cold weather can strain your heart. Warm up first and pace yourself. Eat heart-healthy meals. Include more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts in your diet. Cut back on fatty, salty, and sugary foods. Stay active indoors. If it's too cold to go outside, try simple indoor exercises like yoga, stretching, or using a treadmill. Regular physical activity keeps your heart in shape. Monitor your health. Keep track of your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. If you have a history of heart issues, stay in touch with your doctor. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Both of these increase your risk of heart disease, especially in winter when your heart is already under stress. Stay hydrated. Many people forget to drink water in winter, but staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy blood flow. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Speaking of prevention, did you know that certain foods can boost your heart health during winter? For example, soups made with garlic, ginger, and leafy greens are not only comforting but also great for your heart. Turmeric milk, green tea, and nuts like almonds and walnuts can also help. These small changes in your diet can go a long way. Lastly, check on your family and friends, especially the elderly. A simple phone call or visit to ensure they're warm, active, and feeling well can make a big difference. Winter is beautiful, but it can be harsh on your heart. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy the season without worrying about your health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable tips like these. Stay warm, stay safe, and take care of your heart. See you in the next video on Digital Waves. Bye for now.